Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did this purple glittery halo eye for school, and I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you guys like it, please leave a thumbs up. First, I am going to do my eyebrows using the BH Cosmetics Shade and Define Eyebrow Pencil. I am going to take the defining side to draw my eyebrow shape. And then I am brushing my hairs down with a spoolie and filling in my eyebrows with the shading side. Then I am taking the Studio Fix eyebrow palette from BH Cosmetics, and I am going to shade in my eyebrows a little more. I am carving out my eyebrows with the concealer, and then I am going to blend it. Now I'm doing the top of the brow. And if you mess up, it is okay because you can always try to fix it. That is what I'm doing here. Then I am taking the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to take this mauvey lavender shade from the palette as my transition shade. And then I am taking a more plum purple, and I am going to start doing the halo. Then I am taking this indigo shade and the dark navy blue, and I am first going to apply the purple, and then I'm going to blend it out to darken my halo. Then I am applying the navy blue. And then I am going back and forth with the rest of the purples I used, just so I can bring some purple back into my eyeshadow. Then I am taking Kid & Karma glitter eyeshadow from Stila, and I am going to use that for the center of my halo eye. Then I am doing my concealer. And now I am doing my eyeliner. I did my eyelashes and my eyeliner off camera, and now I am going to do my highlight. And since today I did this purple look, I am going to be using Purple Horse from the Moonchild Glow Kit by Anastasia. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I only do my concealer and my eye makeup for school because I really want my face to breathe. So yeah, that is it for today's look. You guys should really follow me on social media. Follow me on Instagram at Girly Natalie and on Twitter at Girly Natalie. I try to post a look once a day, so you guys should really go check my social medias out. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, a nice comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.